Tokenized Apollo Credit Fund makes DeFi debut with Levered RWA Strategy by Securitize, Gauntlet. The offering aims to make real-world asset tokens competitive with stablecoins for DeFi yield strategies. Securitize Reid said. Dubai, UAE, tokenization firm Securitize and decentralized finance. DeFi, specialist Gauntlet are planning to bring a tokenized version of Apollo's credit fund to DeFi, a notable step in embedding real-world assets into the crypto ecosystem. The two firms are unveiling Wednesday a leveraged yield strategy offering centered on the Apollo Diversified Credit Securitize Fund, ACRED, a tokenized feeder fund that debuted in January and invests in Apollo's $1 billion Diversified Credit Fund. The strategy will run on Compound Blue, a lending protocol powered by Morpho. The offering, called Levered RWA Strategy, will be first available on Polygon, POL. It is expected to expand to the Ethereum mainnet and other blockchains after a pilot phase. The idea behind the product is we want our securities to be plug-and-play competitive with stablecoin strategies writ large. Reid, head of DeFi and credit solutions at Securitize, said in an interview with CoinDesk. The introduction comes as tokenized RWAs, funds, bonds, credit products, gain traction among traditional finance giants. BlackRock, HSBC, and Franklin Templeton are among the firms exploring blockchain-based asset issuance and settlement. Tokenized U.S. Treasuries alone have pulled in over $6 billion, according to data from RWA.xyz. While institutions are experimenting with tokenization, the next challenge is making these assets usable across DeFi applications. That includes enabling their use as collateral for loans, margin trading, or building investment strategies not possible on legacy rails. The strategy employs a DeFi-native yield optimization technique called looping, in which ACRED tokens deposited into a vault are used as collateral to borrow USDC, which is then used to purchase more ACRED. The process repeats recursively to enhance yield, with exposure adjusted dynamically based on real-time borrowing and lending rates. All trades are automated using smart contracts, reducing the need for manual oversight. Risk is actively managed by Gauntlet's risk engine, which monitors leverage ratios and can unwind positions in volatile market conditions to protect users. This is expected to deliver the institutional-grade DeFi that our industry has promised for years, Morpho CEO and co-founder Paul Frambit said. This use case uniquely demonstrates how DeFi enables investors in funds like ACRED to access financial composability that is simply not possible on traditional rails. The vault is also one of the first uses of Securitize's new token tool, which allows accredited token holders to maintain compliance and investor protections within decentralized networks. In this case, ACRED investors first mint ACRED that they can use for broader DeFi strategies without breaking regulatory rules. This is a strong example of the institutional-grade DeFi we've been working to build, making tokenized securities not only accessible, but compelling to crypto-native investors seeking strategies that objectively outpace their traditional counterparts. Securitize CEO Carlos Domingo said in a statement. Christian Sandor is a U.S. markets reporter focusing on stablecoins, tokenization, real-world assets. He graduated from New York University's Business and Economic Reporting program before joining CoinDesk. He holds BTC, SOL, and ETH.